Welcome to day 15 of your 60-second IB Bio crash course. Today we're talking about Taq DNA polymerase. Why is Taq DNA polymerase used in PCR? A lot of you might know this, feel free to swipe away, but in my experience, a lot of IB students struggle to understand why Taq DNA polymerase is used. So remember, PCR is a technique used to amplify DNA. When we're replicating DNA in our cells, we use DNA polymerase. The problem is when we're doing the PCR, temperatures are very, very high because we basically use temperature to separate the two strands of DNA because we can't use helicase. That means that a DNA polymerase, a human one, would denature. Why? Because remember, enzymes above a certain temperature lose their 3D structure and thus lose their function. And if we're heating up the DNA above 80 degrees, then the DNA polymerase would for sure denature. Now, why is Taq resistant at those temperatures? It's because it comes from a bacterium that lives in hot springs, meaning its enzymes are adapted to really, really high temperatures, which is why in the PCR, the Taq DNA polymerase is able to not denature and do the complementary base pairing to create a new strand of DNA. So that's why we use Taq. Follow for more.